absolutely murder a cup of tea right now. I know. I'll just make one. Simple. Right. Go along now to my nice cup of tea. Watch kettle never boils, eh? We'll see about that. I knew it. Then I'll put the milk in. That's how it goes. Let's pour this into the tea. What the fuck? The fucking hell's it? It's just a cup of hot water. Where could it go? Oh fuck, there it is. I don't know what's going on. What the fucking hell? I don't understand it. Fucking hell, man, I'm cracking up. Huh? Oh fucking Christ, what's going on? Wait, you're just imagining things. I hope I'm imagining things. I'm gonna go over there and get it. Oh god. Oh, for fuck's sake, what's going on?
Oh Jesus Christ. Look, I just wanted a cup of tea, please. I don't know what the fuck's going on. No, just stop. Oh Jesus Christ, no boiling water.
Oh, I just want a fucking cup of tea. Oh, very fucking funny.